Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see top application on Google Play Store. Now let's get started. First, open your open your Google Play Store apps, and then in here you can click on a top. In here you can click on the apps at the bottom. This one, click on the apps, and in here you can click on a top chart. Click on it, and in here you can see many top application on Google Play Store. In here I wanna choose for top free. You can change to top grossing or top paid, like this or like this. But in here I wanna choose for top free, like this. So that's how to see top application on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.